ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about my town. This is my town. Let's look around. Park. I play in the park. Park. School. I learn a lot at school. School. Supermarket. I buy food at the supermarket. Supermarket. Zoo. I see animals at the zoo. Zoo. Hospital. Doctor works at the hospital. Hospital. Post office. I send my mail at the post office. Post office. Restaurant. We usually go to a restaurant on Sundays. Restaurant. Police station. They help keep the community a safe place to live in. Police station. Fire station. A building for fire equipment and firefighters. Fire station. Bus stop. A place where a bus regularly stops, usually marked by a sign. Bus stop. Mall. Where I can buy shoes and school supplies. Mall. Pharmacy. A store where medicinal drugs are dispensed and sold. Pharmacy. Movie theater. A place where movies are shown for public entertainment. Movie theater. Museum. You can see here some historical items or exhibit. Museum. Bank. This is a place where people store money as savings. Bank. Airport. This is where people ride an aircraft to go to different places. Airport. Bakery. A place where bread and cakes are made or sold. Bakery. Stadium. A place where sports are played. Stadium. Train station. A place where trains stop to let passengers on and off. Train station. Gas station. A place where fuel is sold for road vehicles. Gas station. Awesome kids.